All right, let's take a start with IELTS speaking tutorial. I'm going to ask you a number of different questions, and these questions are mainly from IELTS speaking part 1. So you need to answer confidently in a very friendly way, like if you're talking to a friend, and the way you chat and answer the questions, just like this you need to answer. And if you don't know any answer, you don't have any answer, very politely still you can give the reasons why you don't know about that or why don't you have the answer in 4-5 sentences. Okay, so don't be confused. Even if you don't know the answer, don't be confused. Be confident. Say, well, I don't know about that. I've never thought about it. Say, do you know a lot about stars? Say, I don't know much about stars because I've never studied anything about space science and stars and all that. So I just have some basic information about stars. Otherwise, I have no expert knowledge. See, I'm denying the question, but I'm polite and 4-5 sentences for that. So let's take a start. Do you have many friends?
Yes, I have many friends because I am a friendly person. I मेल जोल.
All right, मेल जोल की English क्या है, उसकी English क्या है? Don't use the words where you have problem of finding English. Now people often ask me what is the English of jalebi.
Sir,
Yeah, she picked up the word मेल जोल, and मेल जोल is meat. Yeah, you say मेल and जोल. Yeah, ये तो meat तो हो गया, मेल जोल का क्या होगा? Okay, so think in simple words, simple ideas, and you can answer well, right? Now let's go on. How often do you talk to your friends?
I often to my friends. I often talk to my friends with a lot of internet. A lot of things like internet, WhatsApp, Facebook, etc. And some friends visit to my home, and we will sit
Okay,
together.
thank you very much. Mainly you are communicating with words. Your sentence structure is very, very weak, and there are several grammatical mistakes. So you need to overcome this very thing. Although whatever you are trying to speak, that is right and relevant, but the language you are using, your language is weak. So you should repeat all the tenses, okay? Let's go on. How do you communicate with your friends? Now you will talk about mode of communication like mobile, internet. So how do you communicate with your friends?
I would communicate with my friends with several ways of things like WhatsApp, phone calls, and some friends I meet in colleges, schools.
Okay, so the question is, how do you communicate? Don't talk about meet. Say, in order to communicate with my friends, first of all, I use WhatsApp. There is a group of our friends and we often chat in that group. Secondly, sometimes I communicate with my friends face to face. Whenever I go to college and we have a free period, we sit together and talk. Just like this, okay? Just try your level best to do it like this. One last question. How do people make friends nowadays?
And in nowadays people make friend through internet, like they make friends if they are traveling anywhere, they communicate, and then use WhatsApp and other internet websites to communicate with each other. And
okay, this answer is irrelevant. The question is, how do people make friends? So the process of making friends, communicate is something different. So you should understand. Now don't wish that the question should match your answer. You should match your answer with the question, okay? So work hard, improve your English language, focus all these questions, learn the basics of English, tenses, modal verbs, helping verbs, active voice, passive voice, all that. Then you'll be fine, okay? All right, let's go on, please. Do you like art? Now listen, whenever they talk about art, don't be confused. Music is the form of art. Music, dance, sculpture, painting, making ceramics, build a poetry, that is the form of art, right? So everything is art, right? So let's take even the animated movies, yes, they are the part of art. Films are part of art. So do you like art?
Yes, I like art. Art brings Art what to brings life. Art differentiate us from animals. I like painting, drawing, and I like different types of arts.
Okay. Do you think art classes are necessary?
Yes, art classes are necessary because it is
They.
they
Art classes are plural because they.
because they um, because
Mhm. They bring creativity among the children.
and
Children become more creative
creative.
with the help of art classes. So I think art classes are
Are
very
very
much
necessary.
important for children and adults. Okay, just try to produce some ideas. Let's go on. How do you think art classes affect children's development?
Yes, art classes affects children's development because it brings out the hidden talent and hidden creativity and things, thoughts which they express their feelings or express their thoughts through art, and
Alright.
art preserves culture.
Okay, you got issues with grammar. You should improve your grammar.
Yes.
So, I mean, tenses and all that. One last question. What kind of paintings do people like in your country?
In my country, people like different types of art. It depends on their choice. It's sometime it's maybe social, or sometime it traditional, or sometime it modern. It
Oh.
depends on their choice.
Okay, all right. So just come up with more ideas, go through the book and questions and answers.
Yes.
Never cram or never memorize the answer because examiner will catch you. If you have crammed answer, memorized answer, examiner will catch you immediately and then that will be the reason for low band score. So come up with your own original ideas, improve your grammar and then speak. Okay, thank you.